Welcome back to my channel. Let's do some questions on division. First question is complete the division facts by making equal groups. So our first question is divide 6 oranges equally among 3 children. So in equal grouping, what you have to do? In equal grouping, we make equal groups with a certain number of things in each group. So here the thing is orange. First make a drawing of 6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make equal groups of 6 oranges so that they are divided. These oranges should be divided equally between 3 children. The children are 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we can write it as 6 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 is a division statement. The number of oranges each child gets is 2. Now let's come at the next question. Our next question is divide 15 books equally among 5 boys. Here the dividend is 15 and the divisor is 5. First of all, draw 15 books here. One, I am making the picture of books roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so we have last 15. Now arrange these 15 books equally among 5 boys. So the boys are 5. 1, 2. Let us take like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. This is first boy get. This is second boy get. 3, 4 and 5. And they are arranged equally. So we can write it as 15 books will be shared equally among 5 boys and each boy will get 3 books. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 is a division statement here, and you can write the answer as the number of books each boy gets is 3. Okay, let's come at the next question. Next question is divide 24 balloons equally among 6 children. So first make a picture of 24 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And this is your 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now these 24 balloons have to be shared equally between 6 children. So much make a equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, second. 1, 2, 3, 4, third. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth. 5 and it is the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So the 6 children, each 6 children will get 4 balloons. That means our division statement here is 24 when divided by 6 is equal to 4. Or in words you can write it as the number of balloons each child gets is 4. Okay, let's come at the next question. Our next question is, a man gives away 8 bananas to children. If each child gets 2 bananas, how many children will get the bananas? How many children will get the bananas? So you have to tell the number of children. So first of all, to do this, a man gives away 8 bananas. Make a picture of 8 bananas. So 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 and number 8. Now it's said if each child gets 2 bananas, then make a group of 2 bananas. This is the first child, second child, third child and fourth child. So there are the 4 child here. So your division statement is 8. When divided by 2, your answer will be 4. This is your division statement. And you can write it, how many children will get the bananas? 4 children will get the bananas. Okay, let's come at the next question. A class teacher distributed 9 chocolates. A class teacher distributed 9 chocolates equally among the top performers of her class. If each student here each student means the top performer was given 3 chocolates,